Okay. Heidi asks all the children in her class to tell her the sport they like the best. The pictogram shows how many children like to. 8 children like cricket the best.
Okay, how do you draw that on the pictogram?
Four stickmen.
Yeah, well done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, this one over here.
16. 4 circles.
That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. They like this 4. Right, how about the one on the left?
Okay. Would that be... That would be 1 rectangle and a half rectangle.
That's it. And like half rectangle. How about this one over here?
2 circles. And 1/4 of a circle.
Well done. And so a quarter of a circle would look like, do my best, like that. Okay. Let me see. How do we do the one on the left?
Dean scored it. It would be answer would be 1 circle and a half on a semicircle.
Yeah. Let's see. I think it'd be okay for the one on the right. Okay, how about the one on the left?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 8. So would that be 1.5?
Yeah, that was all right. And the one. Oh, we missed this one. What's question A on the left?
Oh, how many cakes were sold on Thursday? That is 8, 16, 8, 16, 24.
Okay, how about on the right?
Yeah, 40 jars when they were sold in. Okay, week 4, 40. So just 4 jars.
Yeah. And how about D?
More jars of honey were sold in 4 weeks than in 3 weeks. Work out how many more. By a half.
What is that though? Half a jar?
Half a jar is 5.
Yes. And so it's like 40 take away 35. Yeah, that's 5. Okay. Let's see. All right, how about the one on the left?
Okay. A and B.
Let's just do B.
Okay. Tuesday. Write down the number of hours of sunshine on Tuesday. That would be 7 hours.
That is 7 hours. That's it. And I think you'd be fine for the other one. That's okay. What would be question B on the left, Chris?
Question B. Write down the number of goals scored by Chris. 5.
Mm-hmm. That's fine. Okay, how about Fred on the left?
Fred on the left. That would be 8. 11.
That's 11. How about question C on the right for Ben?
C on the right. Ben, that would be 11.
That's 11 again. I like that 11. Let's see. It's fine. Wednesday, that's going to be fine. Monday is going to be fine. Let's try Wednesday. B on the right.
B on the right. So on Wednesday, that would be 8, 12, 14.
Yep. 14 books. Thursday's going to be fine. How about Wednesday on the right?
Wednesday. That would be 10.
Well done. That's 10. Let's see. Oh, this is a bit strange. How about this one Tuesday?
Tuesday. Tuesday would that be 8, 10. So that would be 12.
Yes, 12. Let's see this one on this one. Okay, so what is Tuesday for the one on the right?
Tuesday is 6.
Yes. It's good. Week 1. Okay, what would be week 2?
Week 2. 15.
That's 15. And then this one. Okay, what is Wednesday? One on the right.
Wednesday. 12 to 30.
30. This one's saying on Thursday. All right, Thursday. How many boxes of chocolates?
Thursday represents 20 boxes of chocolate. 45.
Yeah, well done. 45. This one we don't need to do just yet, I don't think. That's the end of those. Okay, we can do these. I'll just take a look at the that was foundation. 1 second. I thought there would be 2 mark for foundation. Data foundation 2 marks, yeah. Where's this? Okay. So let's see if there's pictograms. I saw some. Okay, how about this one?
Okay. Work out the total number of children in Heidi's class. Okay. So 8. Okay. So each one represents 2. 8. Add 4. Add 6. Add 9. That is 27.
27, so 19, 27. This one. Let's see. All right, we'll do. How about this?
Okay. Look at the total number of points the boys have scored. Okay. So each one is 4. Okay, so Wayne got 10. And Jed 14. And 16. And Fred got 11. And Mike got 12.
That's it.
So that adds up to 49.
Well done. So that's 49 points. Okay, I think you're good for those. Oops. So I think you're going to be good for that. Let's see what the higher looks like to complete the pictogram. So we did that. These look the same. Is there anything we didn't do? Looks like that's those ones. So we'll look at 2 mark. Okay, there's a few of them, but we probably did. That one's okay. That one's that. And the 4 days. That's fine. Okay, so let us now. Let me just check. So we want Carlos's thing. So pictograms. That's good. So pie chart, bar chart, tally chart. Okay. Okay, so I'll just use those ones. Data foundation. Let's stay with that. So these are tables. Okay, I suppose we could just do them. Okay, how about this one? What goes where?
Okay. Information about 17. Mary is 5 years old. She has blue eyes and a pet dog. Use this information to complete the table. Okay, so she's 5. And then her eye color is blue. And she has a pet dog.
That's it. Question B.
How many of these children have brown eyes? 1, 2. Write down the pet of the youngest child who has a green eye. Cat?
Yep. Cat. How about that? Okay, let's see. Carrots. Okay, how about this?
Vegetable. Write down the month when Jack sows seeds for carrots. February.
Yeah, let's just skip to the last one. What is number C?
Jack sowed seeds for one type of vegetable in May at a depth of 1 centimeter. That would be lettuce.
Yeah. That's good. Let's see. What is the last one? Question C.
Write down a plant with a red flower has a planting time in March. Write down the name of this plant. A poppy?
Yeah. It's a poppy. That's okay. This is a bit weird. Let's see. Let's do the last one for this one.
Okay. 2 of the bicycles have the same price. Leonard wants to buy the one that has the greater number of gears. Write down the name of the bicycle that Leonard should buy. Greater number of gears. Okay. The bow fell.
Well done. Got it. Let's see. Do we do this? Okay, we'll try C. Last one.
Okay. How many of these microwaves have more than 5 auto programs and cost less than 120? Have more than 5 auto programs. And cost less than 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3.
3. Well done. That's it. Let's see. All right. What's the last one for this one?
Okay. Say here by the hairdryer. The hairdryer has 3 heat settings. It is not pink. Write down the cost of this hairdryer. Okay, it's just £35.20p.
Yeah, so that was a not type. Then that's okay. The total cost, that's all right. The least cost, I think you're gonna be fine for these. I think there's lots of table questions. These are tables. Screen. Yes. Hang on. Okay, any idea how this works? Complete the frequency.
No.
So the way it works is, so with a tally chart, you have tally and frequency. So tally and frequency. So tally, make a mark. So that's 2 marks. That's 3. That's 4. But when you reach 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 with a diagonal.
Okay.
And then you just starts all over again. 6. So any idea what the first one is?
The first one is 18.
Well done.
Then the second one is 11. The third one is 7. The fifth one, that's 3, and the last one is 1.
That's it. Let's see. Alright, we'll do one of these. What's this one up the top?
At the top, write down the number. Write down the number of male musicians who play a woodwind instrument. 5.
Yeah. Well done. 5. Okay, how about B?
B. Okay, one of these guests is Pictograms. Write down the probability that the guest is female. $40 out of 72.
Yes. How about the next one?
Okay. Okay. Is it 13 out of 22?
13 out of how many?
22.
How'd you get 22?
I did 29 and 21 minus 72.
It should be 13 out of 32 because there's 32 men. think in that case maybe there's some missing thing there. Yes. So you can just do, there's 32 men in total, so 13 out of 32.
Oh, okay.
Well done. Let's see. So we have these questionnaires. We don't need to do that. We did the pictograms. We might do the bar chart, line chart. Yeah. Okay. How about this one? Which activity did most boys choose?
Most boys. Sailing.
That's girls. Boys is great.
Okay, so that's the women.
Is there one that more boys did than girls?
Yeah.
What?
Climbing.
Yes. And how would you do this one?
I just draw a bar one above the other one.
Yeah, it goes up to 7. And anything else you have to do?
Put lines in it.
Yeah, and then you just do those lines. It's done. Well done. Okay, let's do the one on the left.
Okay. Write down the number of students. You got 10 marks. 4. Write down the mode. Mode of all of them.
No, the mode is the most common, the one with the highest frequency, most frequent thing.
Oh, okay. 3.
It's not a frequency, it's a mark. So the mark with the highest frequency.
Okay, 5.
It's not the frequency, it's the mark.
Oh.
So what does the 5 match up with?
13.
Yeah. So 13 marks was the most common mark. And C.
Which 2 marks are the same frequency? 11 and 14.
That's it. Okay. The one on the right. What is the mode?
8. No, 7.
7. That's it. Oops. Stem and leaf. We can do that. Let's just this was higher. Let's just go to foundation. So mode and all that stuff we did. Hang on. Did this stuff. Mode, median, mean. Range. So that's just gonna delete those. It's gonna get frozen for a second.
My bitch got a...
Is it just loading? Oh, I wish it would let me change to some other thing. Here we go. Let's see. Don't need that. Maybe. Okay, how about this one?
Okay. Table shows information about 6 students. A student is going to be chosen at random. Write down the probability that a student is entered to group 11A. Which is a random probability. 2 out of 6.
Well done. 2 out of 6. That's it. This one. Okay. Complete the two-way table. How do we do this?
Okay. Okay, so for French male, it should be it should be 12.
Yep.
And then for female German, it should be 9. And then the total would be 22.
Mm-hmm.
And then for Spanish male, it will be it'll be 7.
Yep, that's everything.
Yes.
Well done. Okay, let's try this one.
Okay. One of the boys is chosen at random. What is the probability that this boy chooses karting? Ooh, 13 out of 47.
So that is 13 boys who kart out of 47 boys. That's it. That's going to be fine. Then we did all of these. Let me just check. Okay, hang on. Okay, how do we do this?
Miss Smith gave her students a history test. The bar chart showed information about the students' marks. How many students did the test? Did the test? That would be let's see. 17.
I don't know. Did you just add up all these?
Yeah.
So that was 3, and you get 17. Okay. Outdoor activity. Let's see. Same thing. We could do that. I'll come to that if I need to. That's line charts. Come on. Oh, there we go. Will that work? Yeah. So we did these. Okay, let's try this.
Diagram now. Okay. The pie chart above gives information about the people who went to a shop last week. The pie chart below gives information about the people who went to the same shop this week.
Mm-hmm.
Laurent says the pie chart shows that more boys went to the shop this week than last week. Is Laurent correct? Should be a right angle and then yeah, it's correct, I think.
It is not necessarily because this doesn't show how many people there were. It just shows the proportion. So like we can't know. Let me see, something like we can't know because it doesn't show the amount of people that actually went. Hang on. Pie charts show proportion, not population. I think there's some fancy way like that you say it. It's basically this one up here could be 100 people. This one down here could be 10,000 people, something like that, or vice versa. Yeah, so let's say, so this was for boys. So let's say the one down the bottom was 100 people and the one up here was 100,000 people. And so for this one down here, it's like 70 out of 360 of 100, whereas this one up here would be 60 out of 360, but it's a much larger amount, and so this will be more. Any questions about that?
No.
Okay. There was no information about the population size this week. Okay. Then we have stem and leaf diagrams. Do we do stem and leaf diagrams? Maybe we will. Maybe we will. Let me go back. Let's do the 2 markers, and then we might do some stem and leaf. So let's just question here. Sampling and bias, believe it or not, we have to do. But I won't do that now. Let's see this one. These are tables. Okay, that's all sampling and bias. Sampling and bias. Pictograms we did. Then we have scatter graphs. Okay, foundation. Okay, stem and leaf diagrams. Okay, let's try the first one.
Okay. Stem and leaf diagram. Gives information about the height in centimeters of tomato plant in the garden. Write the height of the tallest tomato plant. 56 centimeters.
Well done. 56 centimeters. How about top one here?
How many tomato plants are in the garden? Are there in the garden? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 18.
18. Well done. And how about top left?
Top half. Chloe recorded the test marks of dawn decision. The stem and leaf diagram shows this information. The pass mark for the test is 25. Did not pass the test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You're doing this one, is it? That's 7 students. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay, top one.
Okay. Write down the mood. 55.
Is how do you what does it say line 5 represents?
15.
So each of those 5s represents 15. Is there a number there more often?
Huh?
So this 5 is in the tens, so that's 15, that's 15. Is there a number there more often than 15?
17.
Yes, 17. So how about the one down the bottom?
Down at the bottom. 37.
And so that one is 37. Yeah. Oh, that's 37 centimeters. Well done. Okay. That's okay, I think. These ones, because we did averages. Let me just make sure. I think we did mean, median, mode, and range, didn't we? I think we did. Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Range done too. Okay, so I just don't want to do the same thing twice. Mode. All right, we'll try these. How about this one?
Okay. The graph shows information about the population of a village in thousands. What was the population of the village in 1991? 8,000.
Okay, and B.
$1981. That was 6,000, 10,000, 4,000. Increased by 4,000.
From 81 until 2011. Sorry, I was looking at 2021. So that is 4,000. That's great. And the tricky bit there is the unit. What is A for the one on the right?
A for the one on the right. Oh, what was the profit in 2006? 2.5 million.
Yeah, so I think, see, a lot of students don't say million, they just say 2.5, or over here they say 8. Okay, B. Yeah, we'll do all these.
Okay. In which year did the company make the most, what does it say?
Profit.
Oh, it's because on my screen it got cut off. 2008.
And last one. Let's see.
the decrease. That is clear. The decrease can change from 90. I can't see it because of the button.
Oh, sorry. Hang on. So it is.
Describe the change in profit from 2009 to 2012, is it? Okay. 2009 and 2012. It goes up by 2 million.
Yeah, increases by 2 million. Great. That's fine. It's gonna be similar. That's fine. And then that's scattered diagrams foundation 1 mark. This is drawing 1. We might do drawing. Yeah, let's do it. Any idea how you draw a frequency polygon?
No.
The way you do it is you pick the midpoint. So this is flights in a hot air balloon. So 6 of them were between 0 and 10 minutes. You don't know if they were all 1 minute or if they were all 9 minutes or 8 or 7 or anything. And so we just assume that all 6 were 5 minutes. And so the length of time in minutes is 5 and the frequency is 6. So that would be the 0.56. So it's halfway between 0 and 10. Let me do that. So how about, what would be the next point?
15 and 16.
It'd be 15, and what is the frequency is the Y?
Oh, okay.
So what's the frequency for our second group?
6.
9.
How do they get 9? Oh, so, it's a frequency there.
Next group.
It would be 25.8.
Yeah. Next group.
35.7.
Yeah.
45.5.
5. That's it. And then you just plot the points and join them up with a line. So 15 is halfway between there, and 9 is halfway between those. And then you just connect the dots at the end. Any questions about that?
No.
And I'll just do 1 fully, just so you know. 45. 5. How many flights were 0 minutes?
0 minutes.
Basically the answer is 0. And so sometimes what you'll see is that the frequency polygon starts at 0, 0, 0, like that. Okay. I'm gonna leave it as without 0, 0, will I? No, I'll put in 0, 0. Okay. How would you draw the frequency polygon from this information?
Okay. So the first one would be 2.8.
Well done.
And then 6.21.
Mm-hmm. And go on one more.
10.12.
And what do you do once you have all your x's plotted?
Connect the dots.
Yeah, just connect them up. Great. Any questions there?
Nope.
Okay, so This was the 2 markers. So we did 1 and 2 markers for data. Let's just check. Okay, so tables. I think you're good for those. You're very good for tables. Let's see. Tally frequency. How do these work?
Tally frequency. So you have to write down what they put in the tally as actual numbers.
And so why was this one 7?
Because when you do 4 and then a line through it, it means 5.
That's right. And so that's how tallies work. These ones you're very good for, the 2-way tables. Yeah, very good for. Pictograms, very good. These bar ones, yes, the mode is always the mark, not like always the X, not the frequency, not the Y. Stem and leaf diagrams, we did those a bit, you're good. Line graphs, I think you're good there. So we did that. Let me just check they found the higher. Yes, pie charts. Why is it that we can't know that there were more boys in the second than in the first?
Because it doesn't tell you how many boys there were.
Yeah, there could have been way more boys for the first one than the second one. Yeah, how was that for you, Carlos?
That was good.
Any questions for me in general, or anything in particular you want to do next time?
No.
Okay. Any questions for me in general?
No.
All right. Well done, Carlos. You did great, and I look forward to talking to you again next week.
Yeah, me too.
All right. Have a good week. Goodbye.
Bye.